Pari Patri, and today I'm gonna be sharing with you one of the most powerful crystals for manifestation, for attracting prosperity. What this is a crystal that you normally would not find in the list of crystals suggested for prosperity. But this is something that is truly powerful. But I also would like to put a disclaimer that this is a very strong stone. It has a very high vibration. So I would this is for the advanced level. This is not for the beginners at all. I know I do a lot of videos for the beginners, but I also thought, you know what, we have our students now from the quantum crystal practitioner course who are rocking this year in becoming a certified quantum crystal practitioner, really living their higher purpose and working with the magic of crystals. So here it is. So this is a crystal, okay, guys. So for manifestation, attracting prosperity, really, really strong one. It is Stibnite. Stibnite. It's a gray metallic crystal with the hardness of 2 orthorhombic crystal system. You know what I'm talking about. This is for all our advanced students, guys. So anyways, so this crystal is a crystal, which is really resonant with the energies of Pluto, the planet, the god Pluto. It is about transformation, rebirth, death, new energies. You can also, in fact, work with this on the new moon. Really powerful, working with this on the new moon, along with another crystal, which I'll tell you. So, working with this on the new moon, new energies, new perspectives, new goals that you may have to activate them and really, really powerfully manifest them. But okay, before you start working with this, your intentions must be crystal clear. You should really know what you want to attract. What is your goals? What is your purpose? Because this can be a very tricky stone when you're working with it for your personal gains, when it is not aligned with your higher purpose, with your true calling. Okay, so that is one thing to keep in mind. So this is something that you would work with for truly manifesting your heart's desire and having that crystal clear, like, whatever that is, change of a career, attracting a relationship, getting attracting significant possibilities into your life. So all of these, and so what this crystal does, it facilitates that vibration that creates more of synchronicities in your life, that creates more of that experiences that magnetize you into attracting to those people or those experiences, those situations into your life. Pretty interesting, right? So I'm going to be actually working with it. So just connect with me on Instagram, so that I keep updating my statuses there on how it is working out for me. Now, this is also a great stone for meditation, where it channels the higher frequencies into your physical, integrating into your physical field. So when you are actually meditating and you're really connecting with higher energies, this extraterrestrial energies, higher dimensions, now a lot of that is happening. This when you work with this specific crystal, it actually channels and integrates beautifully for grounding. Great for grounding. So also, if you would like to really align, if you're worried, like, maybe I do not know what I want, or maybe my desires are not what aligned with my true purpose. So if you're really worried about that, then you can pair this crystal with Moldavite. Again, another powerful stone. So guys, again, this is for the advanced people who are working with crystals, not for the beginners. So I just have to mention that. So you can really start bringing Moldavite and Stibnite working together to have that amazing transformation. I'm actually looking forward to work with this. So if you guys are watching this and if you're inspired, you can definitely bring those two crystals. Stibnite is most commonly found in China. So if you're buying it, it's actually coming from the China or Japan or maybe even Romania. But most commonly you would see is from China. It's not very cheap. It's little bit on the higher side of the crystal. So even if you get a small piece of it, is totally fine. So you don't need a big piece. It doesn't matter. You just need to connect to those frequencies while you're working with it. Of course, Moldavite is the same thing. Just a small piece of it will work. Pairing with it together is amazing. Is super, super wow. Like, oh my goodness, this is like burst of vibrations, frequencies right there. So I'm really looking forward to work with them. And if you have any questions about this, reach out to me on my Instagram at Pari Patri, or you can connect with me on my website. Just send an email, go to contact me, send an email, and I'll be in touch. Also, so the registrations for the crystal course have closed, but it will be opening up soon next year. So stay tuned, guys. Lot of yummy stuff is coming up. I'm going to be sharing a lot of stuff on this different aspects. If there is anything specific that you may want to hear, shoot out. Just give a shout out. Put your comments on this video, and I'll surely talk about that. Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.